guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Christy, and today's look is a smoky eye cut crease with a pop of color. And this is the perfect transition from summer to fall because it doesn't feel like summer anymore, but it's not fall quite yet. So it has that pop of color from summer and that dark vibe going on from fall. So it's kind of a mixture of the two, and this look is perfect for any date night or party or any special occasion you have. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and without further ado, let's get on to the video. So I already went ahead and filled in my eyebrows, and now I'm just going in with the Physicians Formula Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Light to prime my eyelids. So right here I'm just zooming you guys in so you guys can see a little bit better. Now using the Morphe M433 brush, I'll be going into the Tarte Clay Play palette, and I'll be dipping into the shade Ember. I'm just placing this color all over my crease right now and not worrying about the blending. Since my base is wet and I did not set it, the color is going to get the most pigmentation out of this. Now with that same brush, I'm going in and I'm just blending out the edges. Now I'll just be using a clean Morphe M441 to continue to blend out the edges. Now to deepen the crease, I'll be using the color Smoke, and I'll be placing that in the outer third of the eye to deepen it up. And after laying that color down, I'm just going back in with that Morphe M433 and blending all that out. This color really does intensify the look, so you can go as intense with it as you'd like. Now I'm going in with this little brush right here, and I'm using it to carve out that half cut crease. And I'm using the same concealer that I used to prime my lids. And since that other brush really wasn't working out, I just switched over to a smaller brush. Now I'm going into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'll be dipping into this shade right here. And I am placing that color down with the same brush I cut the crease with. After placing the first layer down, I went back in and I placed the second one to make the color pop out more. Now I'll just be taking this little brush right here, and I'll be using that to blend these two colors together. Now I'll be taking my Morphe M433 brush once again and dipping into more of that smoke shade. Now I'm taking my Morphe M441 brush and I'm dipping into Smoke. now using a smaller blending brush, I'll be dipping into that first shade we used to blend out all harsh edges around the eye. I look crazy right now, but I'll be going back into the eyes to finish them up a little bit later. And now I'm just going to go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish primer, and I'll be applying that all over my face. So for foundation, I'll be mixing these two Milani Conceal and Perfect foundations in the shade 5 and 3 to get my current foundation. I'll just be blending that out with my Morphe sponge. And now I'll be using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C12. And I'll just be using that under my eyes. And then to brighten up the center of my face, I'll be going in with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Light Pale. Now I'm going in with my Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 10 to set everything in place. And I'll be using a fluffy brush to set the rest of my face. And now I'll be going in with my Butter Bronzer to bronze up the perimeters of my face. To carve out my bronzer, I'm using my Morphe sponge in that same powder as before, and I'm going ahead and cutting that. And I'll be using this little eye defining brush from e.l.f. to lightly contour my nose. Now I'm just dusting all that bake away. Now I'm going back into the eyes, and with that same e.l.f. eye defining brush, I'll be going into the shade Ember, and I'll be placing that along my waterline. Now I'm dipping into that shade Smoke, and I'm applying that a little bit closer to my waterline. Now I'll be taking this gel liner right here and I'll be applying that in my waterline. I'll be using that same gel liner to tightline the top of my eyes. Now I'm just going to go pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. I'm back and I just popped on my eyeliner lashes in the style Platinum Princess. And now for my favorite part, I'll be going into the Tarteist Pro Glow palette and I'll be dipping into the shade Stunner for highlight. And now with a smaller brush, I'll be going in with that same highlight to highlight all the high points of my face. For lips, I'm going into this Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Adore. And since that shade was a little bit pinker than I expected, I'll be going in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. And of course we can't forget to set our face, so I'll be going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection Setting Spray. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below. Don't forget to turn that notification bell on to get notified every time I upload, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.